There's a saying about the Wenzhou people. There's no place in this world that the Wenzhou people cannot reach. Only the places that birds cannot fly to. Behind this light-hearted joke is the boat, enterprising the spirit of Wenzhou folks who travel far and wide to do business. And with the origin of this spirit, it might all start with one street. Behind me is the Wuma Street. Its name is linked to one of China's most famous calligraphers, Wang Xizhi. Legend has it that when he serves as governor of Yongjia, he often rode a carriage pulled by 5 horses down this street, which is how it got its name. After 1,000 years, the buildings along the Wuma Street still keep the styles of different eras, giving it a unique charm. If we chase back through time, we will see Wang Xizhi again. This place is said to be where he used to wash his writing brushes, so it's called the ink pond. In his preface to the Orchid Pavilion, he wrote, "Those who come after will look at the present, just like now we look at the past." His insights on life and time seem to have soaked into the soul of Lucheng, along with his ink marks. And today, this is an intangible cultural heritage workshop. Take old embroidery, for example. Every stitch carried the warmth of time. A short boat ride away is Jiangxin Islet, known as the Pearl of Old River. The couplet on the gate of Jiangxi Temple on the island is a timeless classic left by Wang Xizhi, a top scholar of Southern Song dynasty. The most common way to read this couplet with polyphonic is 云招潮,朝朝潮,朝潮朝散. The clouds gathered morn by morn, morn after morn. They gather and disperse.潮长涨,长长涨,长涨长消. The tides rise long by long, long after long. They rise and then subside. It's not only about the natural wonders of the clouds and tides, gathering and dispersing. It also holds the Eastern wisdom of seeing through the ups and downs of human fate. Back from the poetic islands to the streets and lanes, Lucheng's story is being renewed. In Shuangjing Fang, you can see the Lucheng's 30 years growth and change. On one side is the bustling food market. On the other are trendy and artistic shops. Grab a coffee after grocery shopping. Try a piece of brown sugar steamed sponge cake with ice cream. Then watch a stand-up comedy show. This is everyday's life here, where the old and new blend perfectly. As night falls, the real magic unfolds along the Tang River. Take a night cruise. The light and the shadow shows on both banks bring the historical figures like the king of Eastern O and Xie Lingyun to life from the past. It's like a time travel through 1,000 years of a civilization. So the story of this place is like a warm circle. People go out to grow and thrive and then come back to put down the roots and return to their hometown. Maybe that's the most touching answer to that famous saying about the Wenzhou people.